Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. My name is Anna. We have a very special episode for you. Learning English is fun, and we are here to help you every day. How are you today? I hope you are having a wonderful day. The sun is shining here, and I feel very happy.
Hello, Anna. Hello, friends. I am Tom, and I am very happy too. It is a beautiful day. I love talking to our friends. Today, we have a very important topic. We are talking about the telephone. We use the phone every day. It is very important to practice English on the phone. Sometimes it is difficult, but we will make it easy for you.
You are right, Tom. Speaking on the phone can be scary for beginners, but don't worry. We will go slowly. We will use small steps. First, I want to say thank you to all our new subscribers. If you are new, please click the subscribe button. We love having you in our family. Give this video a like, too. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please subscribe and like. We love your comments. Tell us, do you like talking on the phone? Is it difficult for you? Write a comment below. We read all of them. Now, Anna, let's imagine. My phone is ringing. It goes ring, ring, ring. I look at my phone. I see your name. What do I say?
That is a great start, Tom. When the phone rings, you pick it up. You say, hello. Hello is the most important word. You can say, hello, this is Tom, or just hello. My voice is always happy when I call a friend. I say, hi, Tom, this is Anna. How are you today?
I love that. It is very friendly. I say, hi, Anna. I'm doing great. Thank you for calling. It is so nice to hear your voice. The weather is very good today, so I'm in a good mood. How is the weather where you are? Are you having a good day too?
Oh, the weather is perfect here, Tom. It is warm and sunny. I am sitting near the window. I feel very relaxed. I called you because I wanted to talk. Sometimes it is just nice to hear a friend. I feel very happy when we talk. Friends, do you feel happy when your phone rings? I hope so.
I feel very happy when you call, Anna. You are a very kind friend. In this part of the conversation, we always ask, how are you? It is a basic question, but very important. I can say, I am good. I can say, I am happy. Or if I am tired, I can say, I am a little tired, but I'm okay. It is good to be honest with friends.
Exactly, Tom. We use simple words. I am good, I am happy, I am okay. Repetition is good for learning. I am happy, you are happy, we are all happy. Now, listeners, imagine you are answering the phone. Practice saying, hello, this is, and say your name. It is a very good exercise.
That is a very good tip, Anna. Now, after we say hello and talk about the weather, we usually have a reason for the call. Why am I calling you? Or why are you calling me? For example, maybe I want to invite you to the park. I can say, Anna, do you want to go to the park this Saturday?
Oh, I love the park. That is a great idea. Saturday is a good day. Saturday is the weekend. Many people are free on the weekend. I can say, yes, I would love to go. Or if I am busy, I can say, I'm sorry, I can't. But for you, Tom, I am always free. I want to go to the park and see the flowers.
That makes me so happy, Anna. The park is very big and green. We can walk and talk. We can practice more English there. Friends, do you like the park? Write in the comments, I like the park. It is a very simple sentence. Practice is the key to success. Step by step, we learn together.
Yes, step by step. We are not in a hurry. We speak slowly and clearly. Now, Tom, if we go to the park, what time should we meet? Time is very important on the phone. I need to know the hour. Do we meet in the morning or in the afternoon?
I think the morning is best. The morning is fresh. Let's meet at 10 o'clock. Is 10 o'clock okay for you? I like 10 o'clock because it is not too early and not too late. We can have a coffee first. Do you like coffee, Anna, or do you prefer tea?
I love coffee. A hot cup of coffee in the morning is wonderful. So 10 o'clock is perfect. Let's repeat that for our friends. 10 o'clock, 10 a.m. It is a good time. We are making a plan. Making plans on the phone is a very common thing to do. You need to listen to the numbers and the days of the week.
Yes, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. These are the 7 days. We are meeting on Saturday at 10 o'clock. This is very good English practice. Anna, should we bring some food to the park? Maybe a sandwich or some fruit?
That is a fantastic idea, Tom. I can bring some red apples. I love apples. They are sweet and crunchy. What can you bring? Maybe you can bring some water or some juice? It is important to drink water when we walk in the sun. We must stay healthy and happy.
I will bring some orange juice. I love orange juice. It is delicious. So we have a plan. We have the day, Saturday. We have the time, 10 o'clock. We have the place, the park, and we have the food, apples and juice. This is a very successful phone call.
It is. I am so excited now. Talking on the phone is easy when you have a plan. Now, before we finish the call, we need to say goodbye. But we don't just say goodbye. We say nice things. I say, thank you for the invitation, Tom. I am very happy. I will see you on Saturday.
And I say, you are welcome, Anna. I am very happy too. It was so good to talk to you. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. See you soon is a very common expression. It means we will see each other in a short time. It is very friendly and warm.
See you soon. I love that. Let's look at the words we used today. We used phone, call, ring, hello, hi, how are you, weather, sunny, park, Saturday, 10 o'clock, coffee, apples, juice, and goodbye. These are all A1 and A2 words. They're simple, but they are the heart of the English language.
You are right, Anna. If you know these words, you can have a conversation. You can call a friend. You don't need big words to be a good communicator. You just need a kind heart and a little bit of practice. Friends, you are doing a great job. We are very proud of you for listening today.
Yes, we are very proud. Learning a new language takes time. It is like a small plant. You must give it water every day. Listening to this podcast is like giving water to your English plant. It will grow big and strong. Don't forget to like this video if you feel you learned something today.
And please subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel. We want to reach many people. We want everyone to feel confident speaking English. Share this with a friend. Maybe you can call your friend today and practice these words. Call them and say, hello, how are you? It is a great way to start.
That is the best homework. Call a friend, practice the hello and the how are you. It will make you feel brave. Tom, I am so glad we had this talk. I feel very positive now. I think our friends feel positive too. English is not a monster. English is a friend.
English is a friend. I love that. Well, I think it is time to go now, but we will be back very soon with more stories and more dialogues. Thank you for being with us. Thank you for your time. Your time is very precious to us. We appreciate you very much.
Thank you, everyone. Have a beautiful, wonderful, and happy day. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep listening. We love you all. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, friends. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.